All right, so for the application problems on here, you're going to have the equations in a word bank, and it's really important that you look for certain keywords like weekly, monthly, continuously to help you determine which equation you're going to choose. The first one on the PowerPoint, so have this video open, and I'm going to be doing the first one that is where you're depositing $1,000 in an account that earns 1.5% interest weekly. How much money do you have at the end of 4 years? So that word in there, let's see. Weekly is the key word in there that's telling you to use the A equals, let's see, can you? A equals P times 1 plus R over N raised to the NT. That weekly is telling you this is the equation that you need to use. So I'm going to just start plugging in the information that's given to me in the question. Be really careful that you're using the right units, because with this type of problem, I may be asking you to find A, I could ask you to find R, or I could ask you to find T. You have to read the question carefully to decide which variable you're going to be solving for and what information is given to you. So I'm depositing an initial amount of $1,000. My interest rate is 1.5%, so I got to be careful to put that into decimal form in my equation. The N represents number of times per year it's happening. So if something happens weekly, the number of times weekly happens per year is 52. And that is raised to the 52 times 4 years is my question. Now that means that the only variable that I haven't plugged something in for yet is A. Also, I'm being asked how much money will I have after the time has been applied, so after the function. Now you're going to go to your calculator. If you're careful, you can type it in exactly how you see this, making sure that you are using parentheses on your exponent. That's the most important. If you'll give me a second here, maybe we can both be plugging it in at the same time. 1,000 times, open parenthesis, 1 plus 0.015 divided by 52, enter, close, oh crap, oh I typed that in wrong, okay, point. Okay, you should get 1,061.83 cents. Since we're working with money, it makes sense for us to go to the cents. This is hard. To go to the cents decimal place.